With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So today our question is, A is a set containing n elements. A subset P of A is chosen at random. The set A is reconstructed by replacing the elements of P. A subset of Q is again chosen at random. The probability that P union Q equals to A is, and four options are given. So we are given a set A which contains n elements. So if we can choose P, the number of elements will be 2 to the power n, and for Q also the number of elements will be 2 to the power n. So we need P and Q together. So if we choose one element from P and Q, so the number of elements will be 2 to the power n C1 into 2 to the power n C1, which is equals to 2 to the power n into 2 to the power n, which is equals to 4 to the power n. Okay, now according to questions, P union Q, we have to make P union Q equals to A. So if we take R elements, this is set A containing L elements. So if we take R elements from set A, okay, then we have to choose n minus R elements from A, for it will be go under Q. This will be for P. So for Q this will be n minus R. So accordingly we can write NCR, where we have chosen R elements for P and 2 to the power for Q n minus R. Now R can range from 0 to, R can vary from 0 to n. So this will be summation R equals to 0 to n. So we know that the summation for this is equals to 1 plus 2 to the power n, which is equals to 3 to the power n. So the required probability is favorable even by total, which is equals to 3 to the power n divided by 4 to the power n, which is equals to 3 by 4 to the power n. So from here we can see that option number B, which is 3 by 4 to the power n, is the correct option. So this is a required solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.